Yo, guys, I cannot believe it, man. We're going to be getting the Air Jordan 11 Gammas to release this year. A double whammy, Legend Blue 11s and Gamma Blues. Ooh, it's going to be a good one, man. But we ain't here to talk about them right now. Let's go ahead and talk about how Jordan Brand is going to ease up on us this upcoming month. Let's talk about the releases and all that good stuff. Let's get right into it. All right, you know I'm joking, man. Y'all know I'm BSing, man. Had to hit y'all with a quick April Fools, you know what I'm saying? Let it sit on you for about 10 to 15 seconds. I know you're already probably commenting right now. Let me know that this is fake. It's April Fools, of course, man. We gotta lighten the mood up, you know what I'm saying? I gotta come to you guys, give you some good energy, some good spirits, because I ain't gonna lie, bro. Z Sneakerheads got me good this morning. I'm talking about I'm reposting to my story. I'm commenting like, let's go. We getting the Legend Blues and we getting the Gammas. And it all turned out, of course, it is April Fool's, man. Gotta enjoy the holiday per se, you feel me? But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please, man, please, bro, leave a huge like on today's video. The likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, bro. So do those couple things for your boy, and we're gonna get that 100K before you know it. We so close to 85K, bro. It's crazy, man. The growth has been, tremendous the last couple of months. So I do want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Let's hit that 100K together, man. I'm doing I'm talking about the craziest giveaway I've ever done on YouTube. It's gonna be super dope, man. Super dope giveaway at 100,000 subscribers. I can't wait. Trust me, man. All right, man. I got the handy dandy iPad on deck today to kind of go through the releases. The releases that I, go to as far as the calendar and stuff like that is Sneaker Bar Detroit. And I always say this is not a sponsored video. I've just been rocking out with Sneaker Bar Detroit for some years. I'm talking about since I was in high school. I've always used Sneaker Bar Detroit to check out Nike releases, Jordan releases, all types of stuff. So super reliable site as far as release dates, colorways, and stuff like that. So we're gonna check this out and see the first couple releases we are getting here in the month of April. And again, no Gammas are releasing this year. It was a joke. I gotta say it again because somebody probably skipped through the video. It ain't happening, man. So the first shoe I do see over here is the Air Jordan 2 Tatum Vortexes. I know a lot of people are not into the basketball wave, the basketball sneaker wave from the different NBA players right now. So I know these might be a pass, but it might be some people out there that do go out and get them. So if you are that person, let me know. These are the first Jordans to drop April 4th. 125 bucks. If you're a hooper, hey, these things might be dope for you on court, man. And then next on April the 6th, we do have the Air Jordan 4 Vivid Sulfurs. The only downside to this release right here is that it's a woman's exclusive and they are not doing extended sizes, bro. I don't know why they're not doing extended sizes. Me, you know what I'm saying? Of course, I can fit into there. I'm a size 9.5. That's what I got right here in men, which is a size 11 in women, but it does go up to a size 12 in women if you can fit up to that size, man. These drop April the 6th, like I said, retail tag $210, bro. They keep going up in price, man. $210 for women's exclusive. We ain't used to seeing it, but these right here, like I said, bro, $210 on your head top. Let me know if you're rocking out with them. Fire red for color blocking. I love them, had to have them. Let's get to the next release. And then next we have another crazy women's exclusive. This is the Air Jordan 1 Chromes. I'm not a huge fan of them, not gonna lie. The only thing that, that kind of like bothers me is the whole foil look. It looks like an entire Air Jordan 1 foil, but they're calling it the Chromes. I'm not rocking out with them. If you guys are, I'll be super interested. I'd be super intrigued that you are going for them. And especially women out there, I know y'all might, go exotic with it, go exquisite with it with these Jordan 1s. So let me know if you're going to be snagging them, bro. Releasing April the 10th, a couple days after the Vivid Sulfur 4s. And it retails for 180 bones. All right, guys, next is another shoe that I had the opportunity to grab. And it is the Air Jordan 5 Sales. This is a regular drop. I do believe that we'll be doing the full family size run. Not too crazy on these 5s right here. But I already know, bro. Trust me, I already know. If they had Off-White on them, they had something, something like a collab or something, these will be a lot more wanted by a lot of people. For me, only 5s I really go out and get is, of course, I'm on your 5s. I love both the white and black pair, but the OG colorways, the metallics, the fire reds, the different colorways like that. They've actually seen Jordan hoop and go crazy. And so me right here, the Sales, the SCs, I won't be grabbing them, but they will be dropping April the 13th. 210 bucks. So you guys can see, we're not getting a lot of must cops. I feel like the first 3 months of the year was crazy, spending a lot of money on shoes. But now, Jordan eased up on our pockets. Give us a little bit of rest for what's about to come next month in May. I feel like it's gonna be crazy. So let's get to the rest of the releases. And then on April the 20th, man, we will be getting the Air Jordan 1 green gloves. You guys see them right here. Like I said, April 20th, retailing for 180 bucks. This will be a full, you know what I'm saying, size run available for everybody. I'm not knocking them, bro. I know a lot of people are knocking them right now, but I do not think this is a bad Air Jordan 1 colorway. I think it's actually unique. And if these were released about 4 or 5 years ago, it'd be a totally different ball game. But right now, currently, you can get these things for under retail and some pairs for retail. And this is already what? A whole 20 days before the drop. So if you guys did want them, you wanted to go after them, the Air Jordan 1 green glows are available in full effect for you guys. Me, myself, I don't know if I'm keeping them yet, but I will be doing a full review on feet. So I guess depending on how that on feet look, how they look with the jeans, the joggers and stuff like that, that would depend on if I am keeping the green glows. But let me know if you're going after these joints April 20th for a retail tag of $180. All right, guys, next, a shoe that I had the opportunity to get and I just passed up on it because I feel like nobody would have watched the video. Honestly, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta honestly, you know what I'm saying, look at it and assess the shoe. And it is the Air Jordan 1 Team Reds, or I think they call them the Artisanal Reds. These joints will be releasing a week after the green glows, the 27th of April, for retail tag of $180. But it looks so similar to some other Air Jordan 1s we have gotten in the past. And it's the Air Jordan 1 I have right now currently that looks exactly like these. I'm gonna grab them real quick. And bam, man, here you have it. This is the Air Jordan 1 women's exclusive Chanel Team Red, Varsity Reds, whatever they did call them. But they look too similar to the Team Reds that we'll be getting the 27th of April, and I haven't even worn these. So that's why I'm not a huge fan of them. I will get some wears of this one soon. This is a woman exclusive. You see, you got the Chanel fur on the side, got some great hits on the upper, but these kind of give you like some high 85 vibes, honestly, and I'm cool with these right here. But let me know if you will be going after the Team Reds, the 27th of April, $180 retail tag. Can't wait to see you guys' comments. And then another woman's exclusive, bro. Jordan Brand has been going crazy with the women's exclusives this year. I'm kind of surprised that we've been getting so many like back to back to back like this. They all some dope colorways. And next one is the Air Jordan 3 Georgia Peaches, man. Super dope. I'm rocking with them, man. I got a lot of women's exclusive Air Jordan 3s that I've been grabbing the last couple of years. And probably the most notable ones is the Lucky Green women's exclusives that dropped last year. I love them. Haven't got a lot of fits out of them, but I know one day when I do pull them out, it's gonna go crazy on feet. The hit's gonna be perfect. And it has that nice sail hit in the back. And I feel like, yeah, these Georgia Peaches have another sail hit on the midsole as well with that nice orange on the back. I think they're gonna go crazy. So I might be going out my way to grab this women's exclusive, dropping April the 27th, the same day as the Team Red Air Jordan 1s for a retail tag of $200, man. So let me know if you're rocking out with them. I'm sure, just like the other women's exclusives that dropped this year, they will not be doing extended sizes. So let me know if you do fit into that, you know, size 12 women. And let me know if you're gonna be copping them things. And Jordan Brand doing something a little bit different with these last couple of drops. And the first one is the Travis Scott Jordan Jumpman Jack University Reds. This one has the red swoosh on these joints right here, and these will be released on the 26th of April. But they do have another one coming out on the 30th of April. And I think this is a more limited pair. This is the Travis Scott Jordan Jumpman Jack with the brown and the sail, you know what I'm saying, Jumpman on the sneaker. I think these might be a little bit more limited or vice versa. I'm not too sure, but they will be retailing for 200 bucks. Then they going too high on this retail tag for a new sneaker that not a lot of people, I feel like, don't be wearing. I think it's all hype just because it is a Travis Scott, of course. But if they do release a lot of pairs, you know, a lot of different colorways, $200 for retail tag, might push a lot of people away. But let me know if you'll be going after these two Jumpman Jacks, the new Travis Scott sneakers from Jordan Brand. $200 retail tag, is it worth it? Or is it worth the hype? Let me know, be honest, down below in the comment section, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I feel like April, we're gonna be saving a lot of money this month. I hope so. But there's a couple of shoes that I did see on the radar, and it's a couple that I already have currently. So stay tuned for some full reviews and no feeds. Stay tuned for some more visuals, and hopefully soon, bro, we get that early pack in. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop. And please leave a huge like before you slide out of today's video. I love you guys. Again, thanks for tuning in. And what's being said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.